So today I'm at the Moto Services at Reading on the M4 on the westbound side, and they've installed some new chargers here, yet more chargers. So Gridserve have installed these 3 units, so that's 6 charging bays because they're dual headed, and these are new high powered chargers, and that's in addition to all those over there. And they've obviously done the groundworks because they've got those 3 concrete plinths there to double this up for another 6 on this side. And opposite those, there's already this new charging area here which has been in for about a year now, I think, and there's 12 DC rapid chargers over that side from Gridserve, and then 12 Tesla Superchargers on this side. And as you can see, these are open to all EVs because at the moment there's only 2 Teslas charging here. And there's still the original medium powered DC chargers on the other side of the site, and a couple of AC chargers here as well. So a huge amount of chargers now at this site, less so on the eastbound side. But anyway, that'll do. I'll keep it short and sweet. If you found it useful as always, please do click the thumbs up. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one.